Brokers, are you struggling to provide your clients with accurate advice because your lenders are not transparent enough? Thornmoney is the solution you need. Absolute transparency from in-flight to settlement and in life. Our broker portal enables you to see exactly where your deals are up to and to perform actions to get them to settle faster, all in one dashboard. We'll keep you informed at every milestone and even provide you with the opportunity to workshop deals so you can confidently provide quotes to customers without having to navigate through PDF rate cards. We've set a new standard for a simple, hassle-free application process. You'll get an online quote as well as a list of the documents you'll need to progress to settlement faster. And before the deal has reached credit, you'll know what to expect. That's what makes Thornmoney a broker's best friend.